right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 24 right, Hawaiian.
Copa 302 at Juliet, cross runway 25 right, contact ground on point 75.
Juliet cross 25 right, ground point 75, Copa 302, good night.
JetBlue 988, contact SoCal departure, good night.
Good night, JetBlue 988.
LA Center, Alaska, LA Tower, Alaska 182, visual 25 left.
Alaska 182, Los Angeles Tower, wind 250 at 6, runway 25 left, cleared to land.
25 left, clear to land, Alaska 182.
United 2649, exit to the right, Hotel Niner at Lima, cross runway 25 right, and contact ground on point 75. Thanks.
Hotel 9, clear to cross 25 right at Lima, over to ground, United at 2649.
Tower behaving Alaska 370, so visual 24 right.
Alaska 370, Los Angeles Tower, pursued by heavy Airbus 330, touching down, caution wake turbulence, wind 250 at 5, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Alaska 370.
Volaris 918, taxi Hotel to Lima, hold short of runway 25 right.
Hotel Lima, hold short 25 right, Volaris 920.
American 2548, Los Angeles Tower, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
25 right, line up wait, American 2548.
Hawaiian 62 heavy, stay parking.
208,
Hawaiian 62 heavy, taxi Alpha Alpha cross, runway 24 left, turn left on Echo, and then contact ground on point 75.
left at Alpha Alpha, turn left on Echo, and then contact ground 0.75,
Hawaiian 62 correction, north ground still open, so point 65.
0.65, Hawaiian.
American 2548, on at the Docker, wind 240 at 5, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, clear for takeoff, 25 right, American 2548.
Los Angeles Tower, American 345 is with you at GG.
American 345, Los Angeles Tower, wind 240 at 5, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, American 345.
345, just verify you're lining up for runway 25 left.
Yeah, we're doing a side step for American 345.
Alaska 162, Juliet, cross runway 25 right and contact ground on point 75.
Hey, cross 25 right at Juliet, Alaska, 182.
Polaris 918 at Lima, cross runway 25 right, taxi straight ahead on Lima, hold short of Kilo 1.
Clear cross via Lima 25 right, hold short Kilo 1, Polaris 918.
American 2548, contact for departure.
Good night.